Bitcoin has once again been exploding towards the upside, exactly like we have been talking about for many times. Now, this is going to be my final warning, and I am going to be telling you exactly why and what I think is going to be happening next for Bitcoin. But one thing is for certain, you do not want to be getting fooled right now. Okay, we are getting many signals, all pointing in towards the same direction, so we need to be talking about that exactly. So make sure to push up that like button. Can we smash it up above the 300 likes? That will be a new record. But without any further ado, let's start off with that imminent short term. And what we can be seeing over here is that potentially we are creating a little bit of a liquidity grab, because of course we have been creating a lot of Bitcoin liquidity towards the upside. We have exactly been grabbing that liquidity, and right now we are coming back towards support, but actually losing that support. So potentially this is going to be a little bit of a liquidity grab. That could be bearish for the short term. But anyways, yes, we do want to be holding this level of support over here. If we are going to be falling back down below this level of support, well, that could be pretty bearish for the short term. But then still, I do think that we are going to be moving towards the upside, and I'm going to be explaining exactly why. Now, definitely, we have once again been breaking above this level of resistance, which is of course that previous all-time end. We have been kind of trading at around this level, okay. We have already been breaking above this level multiple times. Right now, once again, breaking above it, retested it over here, and then blasted off towards the upside. Now, this time around, we actually do want to be seeing us actually creating even more momentum towards the upside. Otherwise, if we're going to be falling down below it once again, that is going to be very bearish. But in my opinion, I do not think that that is going to be happening, because first of all, we do have that CME gap down below us. And of course, we have two CME gaps down below us. But if we are going to be having a look into what's the last cycle, we did the exact same. Okay, in the last cycle, we also created two CME gaps down below us and then blasted off towards the upside. Now, if we're also going to be having a look into what's the price action of the current cycle and compare it with the previous cycle, it is also looking the exact same. But of course, we have been talking about this fact already for multiple times, but what you can just be having a look into towards is that it is the exact same. And we are right now in this fourth wave. We are creating a little bit of consolidation over here, and we are about to go parabolic, in my opinion, anytime soon, if we are just going to be repeating history. So yeah, the history is looking exactly the same. Now, at the same time, we are also getting a little bit of a hidden bullish divergence on that 2-day time frame, which is going to be indicating that, of course, more momentum, more bullish momentum is coming in right now. But what is going to be very important is going to be this bullish breakout we are getting. And yes, first of all, in my opinion, if we are going to be seeing this liquidity grab over here, I do think that we could be retesting this breakout over here, and we could just be testing this previous resistance as support. And that is going to be very bullish, and that is going to be your next best opportunity to actually enter the market. Okay, I actually do not think that this has been a fake out we are seeing right now, but definitely this could be a little bit of a liquidity grab right over here. Now, if we're going to be still holding this level of support, of course, we are still just going to be blasting off towards the upside. But I do think that a retest is going to be very likely over here. Now, a breakout retest is going to be very bullish. I'm going to be talking about the exact price targets I'm having right now, because yes, I'm having some new targets I'm currently having a look in towards. But yes, this could possibly be a very good opportunity right now in the market. Now, the Bitcoin funding rates are still trading pretty low, and literally what you need to understand is that we are away from new all-time highs, literally 3%. And still, the Bitcoin funding rates are trading very low. As you can be seeing in this bullish pennant we have been forming inside of this consolidation, the Bitcoin funding rates have been decreasing, meaning that people have been closing their Bitcoin long positions. People have actually opened up new Bitcoin short positions, and that is exactly what we want to be seeing in a bullish consolidation. So yeah, because of this bullish consolidation, I do think that we are going to be headed even higher. Now, also at the same time, still a lot of liquidity has been forming on the top side, so I would definitely not be surprised to see that liquidity still being grabbed. Now yeah, that ultimate final warning of this video is going to be that if we're going to be breaking above these previous levels of resistance, if we're going to be breaking above this previous high over here, well, then we are going to be having some very high targets, and then Bitcoin is going to be absolutely exploding towards the upside. Because having a look into what's that next target, well, these are going to be my shorter term targets, all right? We can be drawing this Fibonacci extension level, and right here we can be seeing the 1.272 level and the 1.618 level. These are going to be very important levels, but still you can be seeing that these are pretty significant price movements in between of this level. And in between of these two levels, we're not really going to be getting any kind of resistance. Now, these two levels are going to be coming in at the 77.3k level and also the 81.8k level. Now, having a look into what's the longer term targets on that weekly time frame, these targets are going to be even higher because the first target is going to be coming in at the 84.1k level, the second target all the way at the 102.7k level, and then the target after that, it is going to be the 156.7k level, and that is going to be absolutely insane. But yeah, anyways, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself, and if you are going to be getting interested in trading this breakout, or maybe even this breakout retest, or whenever we are going to be breaking above that previous high over here, well, make sure to check out that link down below, because you can right now be claiming this free $2,000 trade over on Bybit. On top of that, you are going to be eligible for this $40,000 deposit bonus. So make sure to check it out with that link down below. Sign up a new account on Bybit and take advantage of the opportunities the market is giving you right now. It is basically just going to be free money, which you can be deploying into what's the market for free. So there's no risk involved. Anyways, moving on that weekly time frame, Bitcoin is still looking absolutely great in my opinion. It is really looking like still we are about to blast off towards the upside. I think that something like this is going to be happening, but I've been saying this already for so many times. So yeah, anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.